Hello student, in this class we learn about edit poly. So first I create a box and make a two duplicate copy by using shift and drag. It's a box and these are parameters of this box, length and width and height. You can modify this. And these are other parameters, height, width and length segment. I reset these ones again. If you want to modify this box, you need to some more tools. So we can convert this box as a editable poly by right click and choose convert to editable poly. Or the second method is right click on the box name and choose editable poly. By these option, box property is not available. Only poly editing tools are available here. But there is another way to convert any standard primitive as a editable poly. First select this and click on the modify list and find edit poly modifier. Now this box convert to editable poly. All the editable poly tools are available here. But if you click on the box properties also available here. So you can convert any editable poly object by using any method, by applying modifier or by right click and choose editable poly tool. You can convert any standard primitive by any of these methods. I expand this editable poly. So these are vertex on the corners and these vertex are connected with edges. These are edges. Fourth option is polygon. So these faces are polygons. If you delete any polygons, so it's create a border like this. It's a border. I just undo again and it's a element. Whole object is a element. So these are 5 subdivisions of editable poly object. You can select these by keyboard shortcut if you press 1. So first editable poly subdivision is selected. When you press 2, second, third, fourth and fifth. If you want to exit from the editing mode, click on the editable poly and now you can select any other object. And in this case, all the subdivisions are same. You can select by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the same way. But box properties also available here. You can modify the parameters also. But in this case, these properties are not available. From the next class, we learn these editable poly tools one by one. So now we meet in the next class.